Very good morning, cadets. Hope you are doing well. Last few video sessions we completed the keynotes up to chapter number 6 in social and political life or in civics. Once the activity of keynotes is completed, then we will take up the revision of few important chapters based on the difficulty level of the chapters. Today, let us study about understanding advertisement. Understanding this spelling error in the understanding advertisement. Advertisement draw our attention to various products, describing them positively so that we become interested in buying them. So what is advertisement? Advertisement is nothing but the positive propagation of any product. That is what we call advertisement. So purpose of doing this to influence the consumer's mind. We are the consumers. So to influence the consumer's mind and increase the market, advertisement is one of the most important strategy used by any company. Now you study proto-industrialization and industrialization in class 9th and 10th. Earlier, during British period, British used to, initial days, tea was not common beverage drink in India. So British used to give the cup of tea free of cost in many market centers, so that slowly Indians started getting addicted to this particular beverage drink. The same way cigarettes. So advertisements are generally describing positively so that we are interested in buying them. Branding, building brands and brand value. Whenever we speak about brand, like when we speak about Amul is a brand. Nestle is a brand. Britannia is a brand. ITC is a brand. LG, Samsung, Whirlpool. So these are all brands. So how a brand is built and what is called brand value. Advertising is all about building brands. At a very basic level, branding means stamping a product with a particular name or sign. So Horlicks is considered as one of the brand for brain food. So that is what advertisement is doing all about. Advertising is all about building a brands at very basic level. Branding means stamping a product with a particular name or sign. For example, there are many soaps, but every company will have to give a soap a different name. By doing this, they create another brand of soap. So we have we maybe have hundreds of brand of soaps. When a new soap is introduced, they have to name that soap, and after that they have to create a brand. That is what we speak. So through the advertisement, the company uses visuals and image to create brand value for their product, such as that product may create the to create an impression in the consumer's mind. So whenever any product for that matter done a brand, that is what we speak about brand ambassador. What is called brand ambassador, right? The sports stars or the film personalities or few famous personalities, they are associated with a few brands like MRF, Madras Rubber Factory, MRF Tires. Earlier, Sachin Tendulkar was a brand ambassador of MRF Tire. Sahara India Parivar, the Indian cricket team, was a brand ambassador of Sahara India Parivar. Now you see Byju's. So, through the advertisement company, the company uses visuals and image to create a brand value for their product. That product may create an impression on the consumer's mind. So we are the consumers. Consumer is a person who is using a product. To create an impression in the consumer mind, the brand value is generally created. When we continuously watch advertisement, naturally we get influenced by that particular advertisement or by a product like Dove soap, Lux, or any other soap for that matter. That is what the power of advertisements. Brand values and social works. Advertisement play an important role in social and cultural life. Now, how advertisement play a great role in social and cultural life? There are certain advertisements which are meant for spreading awareness. For example, Swachh Bharat. Swachh Bharat, you may be watching advertisement related to Swachh Bharat. That is a kind of social work, clean drinking water or provide construction of toilet facilities. So Pulse Polio. Lot of advertisements are there. They definitely not related to enhancing consumer purchasing capacity. And most of the time, advertisement target the middle class and upper middle class. That's why you may observe that the icons in advertisement, they are not normal people, in the sense they are not people from a common background, maybe film star, mostly film star or the sports personalities. Branded products are costly, but companies link them to style, design, etc., such that the people tend to buy them. So any company product for that matter, if you go for the same product from not a brand, from a local availability, it may cost you less, but the same product, the branded company may be charging high because of the style, design, etc. Advertisements appeal to personal emotions of people, which induce people to buy the products. So what is the work of an advertisement? They definitely touch the personal emotions of the people. I'm a complaint boy, I'm a complaint girl, or Horlicks protein. Okay, so Boost is the stamina builder, all those things. So that is what advertisement is all about. Advertisement appeal to personal emotions of the people, which induce people to buy that particular product. So the brand values and social work. Advertisement generally try to influence the mind of a consumer or buyer. Moving on, How does an advertisement get made? Advertising plays an important role in making a brand name. Advertising is normally made by advertising agency which help in devising a marketing strategy. Campaigning is done carefully by the companies to promote their product. So any company for that matter, advertising plays an important role in making a brand name. So it is very common that initially you observe how any product for that matter how started gaining its importance. Once the product is produced from a multinational company, naturally they will carefully start the campaigning, and once they start a campaigning and they will take the help of advertising agencies, and these advertising agency they design for a marketing strategy. That is what advertising plays an important role in making a brand name. Advertising is normally made by advertising agency which help in devising a marketing strategy. Marketing strategy, whenever we speak about marketing strategy, products based on which group of people you are targeting. For example, Kinder Joy. Kinder Joy is an advertisement which generally target toddlers, rather not toddlers of course, maybe children above 3 years of age and below maybe 15-16 years of age. So the target group of this particular advertisement is that particular group. That's the reason why in that advertisement generally you may observe that mother, sentiment of mother or children are used in that particular advertisement. Like that, any advertisement they try to target which sections of the people, 6 sections of the people in the society, maybe women. Take for example the cosmetics products. The cosmetic products generally target women. So generally the brand ambassadors of those cosmetic products or characters involved in those products are generally women. That is what we speak about, how they carefully start doing the promotion of any of the product. So brand values and social work. How does advertisement get made? Moving on. Advertising and democracy. Advertising a product costs a lot of money. It makes us believe that things that are packed and have a brand name are far better than the things that do not come in packets. Democracy is based on equality. As citizens of a democratic country, people should understand that they can take a better decision about whether they wish to buy a product or not. So advertising a product costs a lot of money. That is what it is always told. Whenever if you buy a bottle of Pepsi, Thumbs Up or any other soft drinks, the cost of production of that soft drinks is maybe, for example, you are paying 30 rupees, then the real cost of production of that product may be less than 5 rupees. But why it is sold for 30 rupees? One of the major reason for that is the advertisement cost, because the people involved in advertisement, they take huge remuneration or money as a charge of promotion for that particular brand. That's the reason why it costs a lot of money. And it is a human brain or a consumer brain that we feel something which comes in a packed product as a package, then we feel, and something which comes in the brand name like butter. Maybe butter is available in the local market, but we feel Amul butter is better because that is what our brain is trained or tuned because of advertisements. So It makes us to believe that our packages and have brand names so far better than things which do not come in packets. Democracy is based on equality. As a citizen of a democratic country, people should understand that they can take better decision about. So in a country like India, where we have a democratic form of government, democracy is based on equality. Of course, equality is not absolute equality. I repeat, it is each according to his need. That is what equality in India. So as a citizen of our country, we should understand that they can make a better decision. So of course we are exposed to advertisements every now and then, but it is left to us whether to buy that product or not to buy that product. So it is left to our choice. That is what we are speaking all about, the particular topic or the chapter called Understanding Advertisement. Understanding advertisement. Now left over we have the chapter number 8, that is markets around us, and we have chapter number 9, that is a shirt in the market, and chapter number 10, that is struggle for equality. So these are the chapters. A shirt in the market and market around us. These two chapters considered for your PT2 examinations. So in next video I'll post the key points of this particular chapter, that is chapter 8 and chapter 9. So today we completed understanding advertisement and the brand values of the advertisement. Okay, so by now we completed total chapter 1, that is on equality, that is equal right to vote. Does equality exist? Equality in Indian democracy. Issues of equality in other democracies. Equality in Indian democracy. Issues of equality and other democracy. I'm doing this activity so that you please open your notebooks and check what you are written till now. Second, we have completed the role of government in health, private and public healthcare and equality. This is part of the chapter number 2, that is the role of government in health. Then how the government works, chapter number 3, how the government works. Working of government, legislative council, legislative assembly, MLA, MP, MLC, all those things. Chapter number 4, growing up as boys and girls. This chapter deals about gender discrimination. And chapter number 5, that is women change the world. Women change the world. And chapter number 6, that is about understanding media. Media and money, media and democracy, setting of agenda, all those things part of this particular chapter number 6. Cadets, I am not receiving nowadays the pictures of those who completed the notes. So complete the activity and send the pics to my WhatsApp number at the earliest. And chapter number 7, that is what we completed today. So by now we completed 7 chapters of social and political life or civics. Go through all this and write down. Okay, this video is for Friday, that is for 5th of January. Take care. Wish you a wonderful day. Thank you very much.